Introducing the all-new Kia EV4 Fastback, a striking new electric car that blends bold design, everyday practicality, and impressive electric performance. Its clean, contemporary styling flows smoothly down the body, while stylish alloy wheels add to its confident road presence. At the rear, the sweeping fastback design and sharp lighting create a distinctive finish that's both elegant and eye-catching. The EV4 Fastback offers a generous 490 liters of boot space, giving you plenty of room for shopping, luggage, and everyday life. Inside, the cabin is modern and driver-focused, featuring a wide digital display and a spacious, uncluttered layout. Comfortable, supportive seats in both the front and rear help make every journey more enjoyable. Ready to experience it for yourself? Book your test drive today at RRG Kia Barrie.